Did you know that over 32 million Americans suffer from food allergies? That's a huge number. But what if I told you that switching to a plant-based diet could be the key to overcoming these allergies? Stick around, because today we're diving into why a plant-based diet might just be the answer you've been searching for. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that's super relevant in today's health-conscious world, the potential link between a plant-based diet and the reduction of food allergies. You might be wondering, can simply changing what you eat really help with something as serious as food allergies? Let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about the struggle that comes with food allergies. Whether it's the constant worry about accidentally consuming something that triggers a reaction or the frustration of having to avoid your favorite foods, it's no picnic. Many people with food allergies feel limited, isolated, and sometimes even anxious about eating out or trying new foods. It's a challenge that affects not just your diet, but your entire lifestyle. So, where does a plant-based diet come into play? Well, research suggests that plant-based diets can significantly reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. By focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, you're not just eliminating common allergens, but you're also providing your body with nutrients that help it heal and function better. For many, making the switch to plant-based eating has led to noticeable improvements in how their bodies respond to certain foods. The idea here is simple: by fueling your body with natural, nutrient-rich foods, you might just be able to alleviate some of those allergy symptoms that have been holding you back. Imagine being able to enjoy a meal without the constant fear of an allergic reaction. For some, embracing a plant-based lifestyle has made that dream a reality. The power of plants lies in their ability to nourish your body and potentially calm your immune system, reducing the likelihood of those frustrating allergic responses. And the best part? You're not just avoiding allergens, you're embracing a whole new world of delicious, healthy foods that can transform your overall well-being. A plant-based diet could be the game-changer you need if you're struggling with food allergies. While it's not a guaranteed cure for everyone, the benefits of plant-based eating, like reduced inflammation and a stronger immune system, make it a strategy worth considering. Who knows? It might just be the key to a life with fewer food-related worries. Curious to learn more? Check out the link in the description below for some exclusive resources on transitioning to a plant-based diet. And don't forget to drop a comment with your thoughts or any experiences you've had with food allergies or plant-based eating. I'd love to hear from you. If you're looking for more health tips and delicious recipes, be sure to watch my next video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.